we're gonna do a quick test to see how much power this kicker from Walmart 10-inch comp, single voice coil, 4 ohm, 150 RMS sub can handle. Now, from the previous clips and videos that I was taking, this showed the most amount of power. So we're gonna see what we can get out of this sub without destroying it. We're gonna try our best. That can't be right. 157,000 watts. Let's see, voltage. Just kidding. Just kidding. There's no way that's right. 538 watts. Turn it up a little bit. Now we got more gain. 598 watts. Not bad. Well, gotta say, that's still impressive, man. 600 watts to a sub that takes 150 RMS. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick song here. A put on. Try to not get copyright infringement on the instrumental, and watch the power as it goes up and down here. See what real power this thing can take. you can't say Kicker doesn't make good stuff. That was taking the RMS rating a little bit above, a little below, for a little over a minute, and then I cranked it up a little bit, and darn, it was taking over 200 watts solid. It was going in the 240, 250 range, dipping down to the 170s even on the lows, and I don't smell nothing, I don't hear nothing, and sub's good. That's a little 10-inch sub, you know. I mean, it's not a crazy amount of power, but it's doing rated, it's taking it, and not having any issues with it. And you've seen earlier that it was clamping 500-600 watts of power. Really good design of how they make it for the price point. You can't beat it. So thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.